One of the trade-offs that you mentioned is related to connectivity and latency, right? And we know that that can affect speed potentially for the customer depending on their internet bandwidth and all of that. How would you say a customer can work around that? So what would be some workarounds to deal with the trade-off of latency in virtualized GPU environments?
So the trade-off is the optimization. First of all, the location. It's all about location, where the setup of the GPU is comparing with the persons or the customers that they're using it. So one of the key things is their network performance that they need to have, but also there are workarounds because not always everything is perfect. So it's optimizing the profiles and policies regarding the visualization tools that they use. So uh, in short, you can optimize the applications and also optimize the connection. That's the trade-off, and this is one of the, how can I say, one of the key things moving forward to reconsider.
Got it.